Hey guys, in this video we are going to talk about what turns women on. Now, it's important to understand that not every woman likes the same thing. However, there are some certain traits and qualities that most women will love and want from a man. So I am Céline Remy, the intimacy angel, and I'm here to help you bring your sexy back in life. I have 7 attributes that most women will love and get turned on by. And by the way, they are not in order of importance. So let's start with number 1. Number 1, she wants a man who likes himself. So he's not looking for others or her for approval. Number 2, she wants a man who takes good care of himself. And that means that he knows the meaning of the word grooming and that he's fit. And no, you don't have to spend hours doing mani-pedi or whatever else that women do, but trim your hair, your body hair, keep your nails short and clean, and keep your body fit. You don't have to have like tons of muscles, but a little bit of muscles is nice too. Ultimately, it's about you feeling good, being healthy and happy, and it translates because she can see it from the inside out. Number 3, she wants a man who can do something with his hands. And no, I am not talking about typing on a keyboard on your computer. I mean, yes, it's a great skill to have, but what she really wants is that you can do things like fixing things, repairing things, and build things with your hands, or that you can use those strong, big, manly hands all over her body to give her pleasure. So get good with your hands. Number 4, she wants a man who is present. And that comes with your ability to be in the moment with her. So not being constantly distracted by thoughts, by your phone, or anything that takes you away from being in the moment. It's also your ability to stay right here with her when she has emotional up and downs and she just needs your solid presence. She needs you to be her rock. Number 5, she wants a man who is decisive. That means that you can make decisions and you can take charge when need be. It's no more of this wishy-washy or like super nice guy, because that makes you fall into the friend category, and that's not what we want. We're here because I want to tell you what turns women on. So be willing to make decisions. You don't have to always be right. However, it's going to help her to come to know more what she wants by you standing firmly in your ground and stating what you want and make decisions. Number 6, she wants a man with confidence. It's also a man who's not afraid to speak up when need be. It's a man who's not afraid to say no to her and not just always like let her make decisions. You don't have to always agree. You don't have to be a jerk when doing that, but it's simply about having this inner strength, this confidence, and it radiates from you. Number 7, she wants a man with power and status. And now let's be honest, for some women it means money. For others, it means being the alpha man. And deep down, there's a need for her, for security, for safety. She needs to know that you can protect her and take care of her in times of needs. And that's what she can rely on, and that's what can be a massive turn on for her. So let's recap our 7 points. She wants a man who doesn't need others for approval. She wants a man who can take good care of himself and groom a little and be fit. She wants a man with good hands who knows how to use them. She wants a man who can be present. She wants a man who can be decisive when need be. She wants a man who is confident, and she wants a man who has some power and status. That's it. It's pretty simple. So develop these traits. You don't have to do them all at once, but be honest with yourself. Where are the places that you fall short? Where could you show up a little bit more so that it can be more attractive to women? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click the subscribe button and watch more videos.